Today we're decorating the hutch for Halloween. So it's a little bit late. I wished I had done this earlier, but life and football. So I'm just getting to this now. I have a pretty big haul from Dollar Tree that I'm going to use in my hutch. Let me turn the camera around and show you what we're using. So I picked up quite a bit of candy and some jars at Dollar Tree. I am going to use this one that I thrifted. I have a few more in my garage I'm going to bring out, but Dollar Tree does have some cute jars. I picked these up and I'm thinking of just using the back side of the tag because on the side it says wishing jar, painting the tops, but they have all kinds of jars that you can use for things like this. I love the miniature gumball ones, and you can sit them like that or straight up. So my theme is candy corn. So I got all kinds of yellow and orange stuff from Dollar Tree, some popcorn, some circus peanuts, the peach rings, a ton of candy corn, the pumpkins, some pumpkin spice taffy, and then I got the orange slices, the butterscotch. I got some double bubble in a few different colors because they're the right colors, not necessarily for the flavors. Same deal with the licorice and the red birds. I also got some tape, and I'm going to be using this roll of wrapping paper in the back of my hutch, and this was $1.50 from Michael's. So along with that, other things that I have showed you guys in hauls, let's get started. So last night I went ahead and completely cleaned my hutch. I try and do it every few months. I move it away from the wall, wipe it all down, wipe the wall down. It's clean and ready to go. And now I'm gonna use the wrapping paper from Michael's. It's $1.50 to change it up for Halloween by putting it in the back. So as you can tell, I've been filling jars full of candy and some popcorn and treats. I have a few more to do, but I want to turn my attention over here to this wall. I'm going to swing the camera around so that you can see what I'm talking about. I always like to change the fabric out in this frame. This I got at the 99-cent store, and you could put pictures in it, but I like to switch out the fabric for however I'm decorating and then put something in front. So this is from Party City. I love it, but above that, I always have a tobacco basket, and I have attached this little bakery sign to the center of it. Now this was $3.47 on clearance at Hobby Lobby, and this I think was $1.99. So I just used zip ties and put it in, but this doesn't work for me for Halloween. So I'm gonna do something I did during the 4th of July. I took some burlap and used a little hot glue and covered it. So I'm gonna do some polka dot fabric, and I took apart a sign I got at Walmart last year or the year before. It was just a little too long. So it's this super cute little trio of pumpkins. And it had the Happy Halloween part hanging down. So I took this off and now it'll be the perfect size, I hope. My, how things change in 3 minutes. So that was the plan. And then I walked into my living room while my hot glue gun was heating up. It's been all of maybe 3 to 5 minutes. The fabric works out great. With the hot glue, you can take it off. There's no damage to the sign. And so I covered it, but then I came across the masks that a friend sent me. She found them at Walmart. I've never seen them in my Walmart. And I thought, oh, I wonder if I could put those on the tobacco basket. So I just used the elastic and put it around each corner. My plan next year is to make a wreath for each one of them, and that I'm really excited about. But this year, I think I'm just gonna do this. So I've totally switched up my plan in a matter of minutes. I just used some hot glue, and then I used some zip ties to attach the back of the sign, and I made an extra little one for a hanger, and now this is going up here. Oh my goodness. I love it. It's so cute. Let me show you guys. I just love how this turned out. I think it's super cute, and now I get to see them until Halloween. I'm really happy because I didn't want too much text over here. I think one sign is enough pretty much in an entire room. So to have something that goes with it above it is just perfect.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up 'cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
So confession time, I've been really putting off decorating the hutch because when I went to go do it, I had an accident. You guys know I shared these adorable candy corn salt and pepper shakers in a haul, and as I was bringing them over here to decorate, the saddest thing that could have happened. So I kind of just wrapped everything up and set it aside and needed a moment. Once I realized it's not the end of the world, it's just stuff, I ordered myself another pair. So now I have 3 because one of them broke, and happy accidents because I have 3 kids. So we're finally going to take a deep breath and use these over here. I think I'm gonna use them in the tiered tray from Target, but I'm afraid that they're gonna fall and break, so I might need to find something to cushion. So I worked very late last night getting things just where I want them. I'm pretty happy with the shelves, but now I think the cupboard needs something on top. So we're gonna DIY a sign. So what I'm gonna use is a beware sign from the Dollar Tree. Has a sticker on the back, so I'm gonna heat up my iron and go over it, and this comes right off super clean. You should definitely try it. I have 2 garden stakes, and those are from the 99-cent store, and my whole theme is kind of like cat and jack, like the cat and the jack-o'-lantern candy corner, so that's a play on words. So I'm gonna just use the top of this one and the top of that one, so I don't have to do as much artwork, and maybe put them in the corners after I paint it. And then I have some stickers from the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure what I'm gonna write yet, so let me get that iron heated up.
Glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
So after some fiddling around, this is what my sign looks like. I love stickers. The Dollar Tree's putting these stickers out, and I couldn't be more happy because writing text stresses me out. So I did have to use some smaller ones for the word and, but I love how it turned out. I'm gonna take it outside and put some Mod Podge on it so it really lasts. And then I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna hot glue on the cat and the jack-o'-lantern, and then we're gonna do our final tour of the hutch. So it is finished, and I am super happy with how it came out. I think it's really cute. I'm glad I waited because I came across a few ideas like this last minute sign using those garden stakes from the 99-cents only store. And then this black garland you guys are seeing with the little bits of candy corn I got on a really good sale at Michael's since it's so close to Halloween, and just added it up there with my felt garland that I got at Home Goods. So I am really happy with how the shelves came out. All of those little glass containers and candy are all from the Dollar Tree. I used that sign that I picked up on clearance in the back, and then a open mouth candy jar that is a Target Dollar Spot find, my new wooden candy corn that I love so much. And then I used these jars from the Dollar Tree and just wrote trick and treat on them, and I put a spider in that one back there that says trick. I also used some of their popcorn because I think it's just a good color in here with all the orange and yellow. And I did try and stay with all of those colors in the candy. Down here I brought out my white tray just to add a little bit lighter color scheme. I think it can get pretty dark with all the black for Halloween. And lots more candy, some gumballs and butterscotch, some mints back there. Basically anything that was orange and yellow came home with me from the Dollar Tree. And I used the paper towel centers in 80% of these jars to make them look a lot more full than they are. And then I told you guys the story about my sweet little candy corn salt and pepper shakers. I have them on my tiered tray from Target, and I just put a clip-on spider there. And then down here I added a bowl from Target Dollar Spot with some popcorn and a little spider. My dish towels from Home Goods that I love, love, love. I'm thinking about DIYing some Halloween cupcakes. I thought I was gonna need a lot more to fill up the cupboard. That's not the case, but let me know if you guys would be interested in watching me do that. I have DIY'd them 3 years ago for Valentine's Day. Over here, I filled up the mouth of my largest kitty cat with those beautiful candy corn I got at the boutique. Those are faux. And then I just tried to keep a lot of orange and yellow candy. In the back, I actually used Twizzlers in a couple different colors from Dollar Tree, and I alternated the orange and black. And then I used my new cloche from IKEA on top of a glass vase from Dollar Tree for that. So it was all pretty easy. It was just a matter of moving things around until I was absolutely in love with where everything was and made sure it looked kind of like a store, a little kid's dream. My kids cannot wait till this video posts so they can get their hands on some of this stuff. And then over to the side, another last minute decision to put my masks in my tobacco basket. And I think it looks really cute with my new trick or treat sign from Party City. So I hope you guys enjoyed the process, even down to some unexpected DIYs and filling up all the jars, playing around with placement, and I'm super happy with my hutch. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.
I'm a sweet baby.